Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to automatically repeat the YouTube videos quick and easy. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you are watching the YouTube videos and whenever you are listening to some of your favorite songs or the music on the YouTube platform, okay, for example, what I would say is like, let's take an example. Okay, so let's see some of the okay, so devotional music. Okay, so let's go to the devotional music. So let's imagine that we'll see some of the okay. So let's take an example like here you are watching this particular music or the video, okay, and you are doing some kind of other work, okay, and you don't have a time or you don't have to again come to the laptop and again playing the music and again. Okay, for example, you want this particular song or the music to be played again and again without touching the laptop means. Okay, so for that what you can do is like you can just go to this particular song or the music, just click on this particular video. So once you click on that particular video, you can just right click on that, and here you can click on this particular first option, that is loop option. Okay, so once you select that particular loop option, this particular song or the video will be repeated again and again. Even if you don't touch your laptop or system, it will be repeated again and again. Okay, for example, this music is coming to an end. Okay, so here you can see play this particular music. Okay, so here you can see the music is getting an end. So here you can see again without touching the laptop or the system, this music is getting repeated again and again. Okay, so if you just select the loop, the particular video or the music will be played again and again automatically without even touching your system or the laptop. Okay, so this is how you can automatically repeat the YouTube videos. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all. Thank you. Bye bye.